Welcome to Code Buffoon tutorials and blogs. In the last tutorial, we have seen how to render how to set the templates and how to define the uh, render engine and how to render the EJS files based on the URLs. So in this tutorial, we are going to see how to write render the dynamic data in the same EJS file, which means we are going to create only one EJS file and we are going to write a dynamic data. For example, uh, for like create a take one profile page. So we are going to create only one profile.ejs file and we are going to render for multiple users. So let's write that. I'm going to create a new file name called profile.ejs. So last tutorial we have seen how to render the file. So same method I'm going to use for in this tutorial. Yeah, dot get is our method name and this is our URL slash profile and request response and next. Okay, and I'm telling to render profile page profile.ejs with Node.js. Okay, for example, for right now will create a new basic profile. Name John, email John 100example.com, phone number, some random numbers. Okay, so I'm going to send this object to my profile.ejs file to render. So I'm going to create a new object as a profile and sending again profile is my object, this profile is a key, this profile is my EJS file name. So let's say let's go here. Previously we have seen how to render the data dynamically. The same way I'm going to use here also. So less than equals the key name is profile dot is my name is a name key as name. I'm taking duplicate. Email ID is email. Phone number is phone. We are done. Let's start our app.node.js. Yes, perfect. Try to browse slash profile. Yes, see the data is dynamically rendered, but this is not our main concern. So usually the profile page is a dynamic thing. So the profile page based on the user IDs or usernames. So currently I am going to use the ID. So which means is a dynamic. So after slash profile and put some random ID, then the data will get rendered based on the IDs. So this is our new concern. So I'm going to, okay, which means, so this section is a slash colon id. This colon id mentioned this is a dynamic id, this is not a static. So slash profile is static, so browser looking is means that Node.js looking, this is a static and this is a dynamic. So I'm going to pass dynamic data like dynamic IDs 1 2 3 or some other numbers. So I'm just taking this dot log, which means this is a params. So the params, the request contains the params. Let's save it, kill it, restart. Okay, see, id is my this id and 4 is my original id, which is get from method, get method. Okay. So I'm going to write like this. So this is our id, let id is equal to this one. So for right now I'm going to create a one set of array, user arrays. So right now we are not going to connect any database. So currently I'm going to create a dummy array, user profile arrays. It's 3 and it's 4. Okay, this is our static profile array. So based on this idea I'm going to fetch the object from this profile array. So in JavaScript we have the predefined function called filter. So I'm going to use filter to get the correct object. Okay. So let's say profile equals, this is a array name, dot filter say object. So it's return pj.id equals our id, given id. So it will return array. Let's print it. Okay. See, we are getting the fourth object, means fourth id data. This is this one. So I'm going to close 3. Then I will get the third ID, the wrong example. So this is the ID. So I got the correct output as I expect. So, but it's written as a array. So we don't need to send an array. So we have to send as a object. So which means the first element. So because this is an array, so I'm giving the first element. Now restart the app. Then browse it. See, Ram came. If I choose 4, Sita will come. If I get first, John will come. If it is 2, then Michael is come. Okay. So I hope this is you understand. But the next case is we are going to handle the 404, which means is user is not found. Then what will we are going to return? This is our concern. So let's say I'm going to check this length. If it is like greater than 0, I'm going to send okay. So I'm starting the app. Right now, what is this issue? Type a cannot modify name. Let me check the error first. Oh, sorry. Yeah, then the 0th element to my profile value. So restarting the app now. Okay. So again the check is wrong. See, if it is 5, we don't have data for ID 5, so it's NA. We have the data for 1, so it's coming as a John. So this is the thing which we are trying to explain, like only one EJS file to render multiple dynamic data. So thanks guys. I hope you understand this tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to get an instant update. Thank you. Bye bye.